Cartel no for do with him. Hey, go suck your mama. What you mean? Cartel no for do with who? No for do with the puppet them around him. Him no for do with me. You know see that? You know see my wild, modest life cannot be contained. Oh, so I don't feel like a joke thing. I well want to see Cartel. I don't feel like I don't want to see him. I well want to see him, but I want to see him in a room by himself so me and him can thump him under him short.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, Lisa is back at it again. She wake up, women in and say, I'm gonna choose violence today, and she disrespect Sean Storm. She disrespect Cartel again, and she go after her alleged baby father. Oh, poor Dexter. Lord Jesus. Anyways, guys, we also have BUJU Banton that went live at the BET Awards the other day. He said somebody tried to set him up. Remember, thank God jail already. Anyway, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. Check this out.
Heard somebody like that we done been there and done that and been through all kind of something. If me know Cartel from me a 5 and him put picture with me a suck him cocky because big pussy Hindu them orchestrate and tell beer lie from me for the man violate me. Where you would have done me batty boy? Bad person go suck your mother dapper. You a bad man? While your woman Tash inna the house, she a ball pan my shoulder, me a usher. Tash, the same Tash, the English girl, she don't know what to do. And me a fear do everything, pussy. And you mash up me and my man too, you know. Remember you when me carry food and grocery for Adi, you go sing breaking news and I make the man call me and say, hey girl, I think you can poison me, re. What day me and my man good, you put out song, you start fuck back that ex-girl, make me and my man a war. So you for mash up my life and they are foreign live your life, batty boy. You feel like me a country girl? Mash up back your blood clot life. You come on internet a ball, help to wing, help. Wait till my buck you, wait till my hold you. Nobody can save you. No mineral boss, no pussy can save you for what you do to me, batty boy. Oh, I don't know what I do here. Nobody can save you. All the lie them where you tell mineral boss and everybody for make me look like the help you, you know? Build an empire from nothing to something. And you are going like a you alone build it. See? I go like a you alone build Gaza. But borderline it did name, you know. And Jewish border you change it to Gaza. Where me come from, cause you know you come from Waterford, the Waterhouse you come from. Where me come from. And you use me and you build your empire and you have me and suffer pussy. So here what you do, take your Gaza, take your empire and go on. You know, go on and allow me. I don't want to not call my phone. I don't want to no book me for no show. I don't want no money from you. No book me for no show. Zin, because you can't pay me. You can't pay me for come for not even one show. Keep on a show. Keep on a Gaza. Keep it. I don't want nothing from it. Next thing. All I want to call my bumbuckler phone and tell me about apologize to man. Like, you know, the whole of the years and see what the man do me. If you show yourself, you know, some real pussy. And if you just stab you know, when I say you know. You know how the man deal with me and you know call me for apologize to somebody who deal with me. Fuck up. And as he said, the whole I want to take me for pussy. Eh? And as he said, the whole I want to some waste man and waste girl. You know call me a bumper ass clot. Uno for go tell him to stop his fuckery. And that uno for go tell him. But you afraid I uno can't. You afraid I uno can't tell him, but you want to come call real bad girl. Suck uno mother. And don't call my phone. Because I don't like uno. None of uno I don't like uno. My brother dead from before me born. So uno know my brother. Go suck uno mother. Uno know my brother. Uno know my sister. My sister named Tasha Gooden. And Sydneysha Wims go suck on mama. But brother and sister, you no call back my phone. Me no need you no a bumbo clad. Sean, you are the next pussy clad. Idiot. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm gonna tell you why you are a fool. You do 13 years with a man we don't value you. Him not value your loyalty, him not value your presence, him not value nothing. Why do you do all of we all our vibes and the man page and say, oh, me no want you get too close to her. No, hey, you don't come back over. Don't go back up on me. And you take side with the same man. We're not ready for this, man. All on a fool, man. All on a fool. You see it? So me come out and I defend you now and you unfollow me, block me and whatever. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I care less. You know, understand? Me not really give a fuck if you not deal with me or not deal with me. I'm not hungry. So all of the promoter them want to send for come book me with chum change. Uno and them can go suck no matter because I know when I uno send them. All I want to orchestrate it now go work. Because I know when I uno send them. I know when I uno work. And everybody will follow me to watch me and I orchestrate for try paint a bad picture of me and I hype up. All I uno can go suck no matter. And me attack from vlogger go right back down. You see me? From vlogger go right back down. So all I uno can go suck no matter. What else me for talk? Yeah, as me say, some artist boy and girl we did a deal with me what day, you know, me I talk to them good, you know, me and them a friend. But as soon as me and me whatever, the whole I wanna draw one side and in our feelings like una fuck the man. Uno know him where uno know him from. Go suck uno mother the whole I uno. Artist boy and artist girl. We feel like uno can style me. You see when uno ready for do collab with me, come with no money. Uno could have bigger have uno lame look more. Me no need no collaboration with none of uno. A Chris Brown and Eve and them people and Alicia Keys no want collaborate with. Uno a fool. Me don't have collaboration with Beanie Man, Lady Star, Egyptian, Prodigy from Map Deep. Me have collaboration. Me no need collaboration with uno. Go suck uno mother. Uno feel like uno can style me. Eh? From Dexter go right back down. Hey, I don't even want to talk about you, pussy. One night I come down there for chat to you. You go in your house, go lock up. Dexter, you can't style me. Dexter, remember my boss before you. Remember me name Lisa Hype. All when you get 100,000 US a show. Go, hey boy, don't fuck yourself, you know. You make all man a walk past me with shoes. When me come down there to them, I want that same pussy there. Walk past me with the same shoes. Me get for. Hey, you know me? Me make you there see you and can't comfortable pussy. You know me? Know what I do, you know? Don't take my kindness for weakness, you know. Pussy, you going like you're cool. What you do? Try prove to me say you're cool. You want me show you cool? Me lose baby for you all now. You not tell me condolence. All when me and you not deal, when they are your foot, man, I'll shoot off of my cousin. Down there. I wanna hide it from me. Make nothing that me to him. And you me a come for pussy. Brawling me I tell you that. I wanna hide it and the man dead. And I know you not say condolence, Lisa. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother, Louis Anthony Grande. So go ring out your mother. I know your face me did want to tell you that one night when me come down there. But you run go in. No care who you did.
Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. Anyways, Vybz Kartel posted this today. He posted a video with Sidem giving a response. I guess this is his response to the whole Lisa crashing out. Check this out. Now, I don't know if it's Lisa he was, aiming at. I think Sidem was just playing. But BUJU Banton went live the other day when it was, at the BET Awards, and he said somebody tried to set him up by asking him for weed, and you don't know why I'm going to jail for. So, check this out.
Yes, I promise the people them say me I'll come back to them live. But the people me say me get caught up in the obsessity. Me never get so much obsessity in my existence. Yes, I know what BT from Jamaica from long distance. I know me coming at the house. My people. Me have to rub. Yeah, man. Me have to rub, fire. Listen up. Come with a rascal fashion there. Go on, show them up. I don't want to laugh off people, so I keep myself quiet. I'm a man enjoy a good laugh. And I want to see things let me laugh more rascal laugh. And you can't tell me where to do, because I never tell them to do or not do. Let me laugh. It's there about it young to grow. Yeah, man, but the show nice so far. Rotted backside. I enjoy myself. Woo! That is better, yeah. Big man, I idiot. I ask you if me have no herb, right? I tell him to no, me not no herb. See? He must say, he must have herb, but I don't like to see him herb. But the blood clot, you ask me, me have herb, not big. You want, I don't see nobody smoking a BT. I fool it to the dread part. Yes.
Set them on, set up the dread. Ah, boy. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.